that cake. What's up, Rodeo Squad? I am back with another banger half wig banger video. I'll make this sweet and short and straight to the point, because I know I could be like, and yeah, whatever. Anywho, y'all, I am back, and yeah, it is a motherfucking fall, and it's time to change it up. Okay, so this is my current hair color. I don't know. I just don't give it fall vibes. Anywho, I've been wearing my hair in an afro, and I love every bit of it. And I cut on it like usual. But it's all to the good. My hair is healthy, it's growing, and it's soft, and I love it. But as soon as I wet it, my curls just start. Boop, 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 boop. Anywho, if you are new to my channel, I welcome you. And if you are a returning Rodeo Squad member, I thank y'all for coming back. I thank you. Y'all answered y'all phone because I'm calling y'all back, and y'all listening. Period. All right, y'all. So let's get into this. This is the Converti Cap half wig. I love me a half wig. Like I said, me and half wigs go back to the motherfucking 90s. Okay. And yeah, they have improved, made them better, but like I say, skippy woo woo, and boom, this is the cap of it all. They have all kind of colors in the back. I'm gonna put everything in the description box down below. So what I'm gonna do, back in the day, what I used to do is, sometimes I do this too, I will slick all my hair back in a ponytail like, and then put it on. But this time, because I don't want to keep messing with my hair, because I'm trying to do a protective hairstyle, whatever the case may be. Dang, something in my eye. Okay, sorry, y'all. I'm gonna give myself 4 big fat set it off braids. So I'll probably go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I like to put it on because the comb grips the braids better instead of just constantly putting it on your hair. Because when you constantly keep doing that in that same spot over and over again, you're going to get a bald spot. And thank God I don't have no bald spots. Bald spots don't live here. Period. No ma'am, no ham, no spam. So, I'm going to be back. I don't know how many inches this is. It's probably 20 inches to be honest. Because like I said, it comes down to the top of my butt. Yeah. So, let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to braid my hair, and then I'll be back so I can give y'all more information on how to do this. And this is a really pretty color, too. This is actually a DR Ginger Brown, because I was going for a fall. So, I think the tip do match my hair. Look, I always match up my hair with the weave. It never fails. I'll be back. All right, y'all. I am motherfucking back. Hey. Okay, braids are done. 1, 2, 3, 4. I connected the 2, and that's why they look like this. But what I'm finna do is put these hoes in a ponytail. So they won't be sticking out. I just put them together just like this. So they won't be sticking out of my half wig. Now, remember I told y'all I have a bag full of motherfucking headbands. Now, since I have on a gray shirt, I can go ahead and do this gray. This is what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on over my head, because I like to put the band on first. So I have that style. I have the ones with like the little bows, and sometimes I use just a flat band. And here's the hair. Now, mind you, I already washed and soaked this one. I got 2. So, because I'm finna do something. I'm going to keep one like long. I'm going to cut it another one. And then, I said I was going to get one more, because I was going to do something with that one. So I was going to keep a long one. Oh, use the other one for like a ponytail. Strictly ponytail. This long. And then cut that one, so I can have a more shorter one. So, of course, like I showed y'all before, got combs at the top, combs on the side, combs at the bottom. This smells so good because I let it soak overnight in some, what is this? My Tresemme. Oh, I let it soak overnight in some Tresemme. And y'all, oh my goodness, because I don't want to be itchy and stuff like that. I also used, I don't care, this Simply Body Wash and let it soak in that too. This stuff is the motherfucking bomb. This is some good stuff. And I let it soak overnight, and then I hang it up and let it dry outside on my porch because it's been hot outside. And then that's just that on that. Okay, then y'all want to flip it back. Y'all see what I did? Watch this, slow motion. Flip it back. Yeah, well, my knee come up like that. Like, anywho, I'm looking in my mirror because I'm always in front of the mirror. You're going to take those combs, and the reason why I have braids because I want them to lock on the braid and not my actual freaking scalp. Be pulling my goddamn hair out. I'm going to hold that, fill this comb on the side, clamp that to that braid, hold it. It's so easy, y'all get done in like seconds. Put this one on to the side as well. Boom, to your comfort. What the hell going on over here? Oh, she tripping. Okay, and then you're gonna take that back and you're gonna pull it underneath your braids. That's in the ball. Boom, look, she already cute. I ain't even got the motherfucking band on, but yeah. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull this band up, just like voila. So this is a thicker band. And you can do it like that. It reminds y'all, don't get me wrong, it reminds y'all of a headband wig, but I don't like headband wigs because it's not flat enough for me and it just be doing some weird stuff. So I'm done with headband wigs. I'm sorry, nothing against them, but I just don't prefer that. I like these because look how flat. See that? It's so flat. And you can do so much with this. Like you can wear your real hair out over it. You can put these bands over it. So I'm going to take this one off because it's cool. Don't get me wrong. I like it. It's cool. But then, oh, y'all, this is so cute. Y'all, I love my half wigs. Not a headband, half wigs. Because there's no band on here. Go ahead, put this on. Show y'all how it's looking in the back. Turn around. Oh, I almost fell. And then I just take my headband and then pull it up just like that. And I did my hair on purpose with 4 braids because I wanted that middle part. See how I did that? The middle part. Y'all see how much cuter this is? But yeah, this one looking kind of rough because I had it for like, it's going on maybe like 2 weeks or whatever case may be, but it's cool because I done washed it. I've been wearing it. So this is the same one. I got the same exact one because I got plans for this one. Or a little long, I might have plans for this one. This one might get cut up short. And this one might be my long one. And then the third one I get might be the one I just keep up as a ponytail. Because you can wear this up as a ponytail. Let me see. Because it's long. This is why I said I would keep it long. You're going to see that drawstring. You can pull that. I cut mine and tied it and you can tuck it. It's no big deal. But it's going to be hiding. So the next one I get, I'm just going to have it as a ponytail. This is cute. Y'all better quit playing with me. Put your band around. All that's going to be hidden when you have your band on. None of that's going to show. So you can do this hair like any kind of style. You can put up in a ponytail. You can do 2 ponytails. You can wear it down like I do. And I'm just on the go. And I'm trying to run and go places. Because I've been having places to go and people see and things to freaking do. So yeah. Like I said, once you wash it, let it soak. I'm telling y'all, let it soak overnight. And then let it hang dry outside or in your shower. Wherever you want to hang it. And when I tell y'all, it's soft, it smells good, the curls stay the same. I didn't have to dye it like I did them clip-ins over there. Ooh, that pissed me off. I'm not doing a video on that. I might do a video on it, but I'm over it. This is my go-to. This and crochet here is my go-to. I believe this is 20 inches, not 18. It gotta be 20 inches. It's long. Can y'all see? That's how long it is. So that's just that on that. Hope y'all like this video. Like I said, this is a ginger color. This is my good new fall color. Try to switch it up in the winter times. I think next summer I might go blonde. I don't know. It just depends. But I've been like a redhead lover for a very long time. But yeah, quick, simple, easy. When I tell y'all get done, this will be done in seconds when you're trying to go out and just go anywhere. Anywhere you want to go, throw this on and go. Braid your hair up. Use this as a protective hairstyle because I do. And it's already curled. I ain't got to do nothing to it. I ain't got to wet it. Nothing. I just shake this up. Yeah, that's what I do. Shake it and motherfucking go. Shake it, go. So, with that being said, I thank y'all for watching this video. I'm glad y'all answered y'all phone because I called y'all back. And y'all finna go to Tyler J because I gotta buy another bra like this. Look at this bra. She cute. And this is a Hanes, but I gotta get a bigger size because at this young age of mine, I think my boob's growing. Anyways, TMI, but it's okay because it's worse stuff on the internet. Anyways, oh yeah, so what I use to like put in my hair to keep it healthy, my real hair, of course my jam for the motherfucking edges, boom, my Indian hemp oil, hemp grease, hemp, y'all know what that is. I'm always going to a grease. And then of course I use pecan oil. This is good for your scalp and your hair. I got my whole 3 collections up there. And then of course I'm gonna have my booster. Ooh, this purple one smells like some Kool-Aid or some candy and I want to eat it. But this is just on my edges because, girl, my baby hairs, she be curling up and be doing what she want to do. I don't have no exotic, crazy baby hairs. But the little bit that I do have, she be curling up and stuff. So, yeah. And I'm not going to be dyeing my hair no more up here because it be making me look bald right here. And so my hair is real light color. My baby hair is faded. So I look bald. So it's all good because I'm not. I got edges. I got motherfucking edges. What? Okay. I'm gonna go because I got stuff to do. And yeah. And I'm working. I gotta get back to work. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, hit that notification bell. So every time I upload a video, y'all make sure y'all tune in and watch me, please. I try to get to 500 subscribers. I'm almost there, but it is what it is. Deuces.